Hey, this is Silent Solution. Today we're two important command Linux troubleshooting. Now let's go. SAR and NC. SAR is a system active report. It can be used the monitoring Linux system resource like CPU uses, memory utilized, and device and computer network monitoring takes uses and process and allocation the battery performance. Let's go. First of all, we are go to our server, and this is our Ubuntu server. You can cat etc OS release. This is Ubuntu 24.2. This is where install the NC. Sorry, SR. Where first of all install our system the SR. I think our SR installation is done. Now we are the system active. Yeah, start. We are in our system. It's done. Now we are sick. Version is done. Now where CPU uses. Let's go. Here is the details. The 5 is times and the travel as 2 seconds. Every 2 seconds is 5 information is done. Yeah, our uses CPU all and uses how many hours uses have. Next we are see our memory. Memory serve as a memory. Memory. That's our memory, and next go to our where file details here. File details here. You can see details, but not explain now. You can see this. So block device details. Yeah, it's done. Now another common is the NC. NC is a Netcat. Netcat is most of the powerful tools. We are first of all need to install our Netcat. Sudo apt get apt install Netcat. Just a minute. We are Netcat installation. This two command is very important our when I'm troubleshooting. Uh, this is my silent solution. Here is a Linux cloud related many video we can see, and visit my channel. I think you have many idea, and you can go Linux and cloud related expense increase, and also you can hear the RSCA exam preparation. I think you have many idea here, and DevOps related many tools in installation and configuration there. Let's go. First of all, we are check our if and say go. Just when I just and seek on our IP or domain and put the time is a result, but it is not result because it have not any service my system. But 22 as I have a system, you can installation and see more details here. I think have understand. Thanks for watching.